Hello everyone and welcome to SD 852, Effective Needs of Gifted Learners. If you're new to Emporia State University or you're new to this gifted course sequence, welcome. I hope these gifted education courses will be interesting and meaningful to you. So I thought I would pop in here and give you a brief introduction and overview of the course. So this is in addition to the syllabus, which is posted on Canvas. So please read that over carefully. So effective needs of gifted learners. In some universities, the course is known as social emotional needs of gifted learners, and we will definitely be learning about both. Now, in a traditional 14 to 16 week course, it is common for each week or each class be one particular topic. Now, as you know, this is a 7-week accelerated course. So what we will have is we will have different topics per module per week, but in any way, these topics will be united by a certain theme. So it's not going to be a series of disjointed things just thrown at you. So the way I designed a course in terms of pacing and completing assignments is that each week we're going to be doing something besides the reading and thinking about course topics. If you look at the assignment section, you will see that you have several big things happening. One of the very important things in this course is actually discussion boards. And I know that depending on the instructor and depending on the learning experience, sometimes discussions are more of a side thing. It's a small part of the course. In this course, it is different. Discussions are where you're going to learn from each other. And if you have been a gifted teacher for a little bit, you know how isolating it can be when you are the only gifted teacher at your school or the only gifted teacher in 3 schools. I have had students who are the only gifted education professional in 5 schools. So discussion boards are truly a way for us to learn from each other and connect with one another. It is such an eye-opening experience to read about students, graduate students, and their work as they help identify gifted learners, educate gifted learners, advocate for gifted learners. So discussion posts are very, very important. Usually you will have a couple of choices to choose from. And my best advice is read the discussion post ahead of time prior to the readings so that you know what you should be thinking about, what should you plan to say. The idea is try and post by midweek, Thursday, Friday the latest, so that students have a chance to read and then reply to your posts and have a conversation. Somebody may ask you a follow-up question. So definitely check back and see what the activity around your discussion answer is. So the next big kind of activity is our case studies. You will have 3 case studies for this course revolving around a particular issue. And for each case study, you will kind of break down a problem or a situation, and then using the knowledge you gained from the course, you're going to suggest a course of action or a solution. So you will have case study 1, case study 2, case study 3. Now I will say that case study 3 will be more about you. So in a sense, it will be a self-study. Then the final assignment, which is somewhat bigger than the previous 3 assignments, is a professional presentation. You will get to choose one of the myths, common myths around gifted learners' effective or social development, and you're going to prepare a professional presentation, something that you can take with you, actually present to your colleagues, informing them about the issue, why a certain thing is a myth, and then suggest resources and possible courses of action for professionals to educate gifted students and interact with gifted students more appropriately. Now, I know it is a lot of information, so if you need to read the syllabus again to try and match what I have said with the course contents, please feel free. Also, I will create a section in the discussion board titled Course Questions. If you want to email me a question, that is fine. But if you think this is the kind of question probably someone else is wondering about too, go ahead and post it in the discussion board. This way, when I reply, then the rest of the students benefit. And you can post anonymously if that makes you feel more comfortable. Well, that is all for now. Again, welcome to the course, and I truly look forward to interacting with you and sharing our gifted experiences together.